Hello girls, and welcome back to a new tutorial. So this is again another very easy tutorial we'll learn together. I'm using here again Red Heart soft yarn. I'm saying again because most of the time this is the yarn I use. I love this yarn for many reasons, and if you do use the same, I'm sure you love it because of the color, the softness, and the easy way to handle the yarn. Also, I'm using a 6mm crochet hook for this tutorial. So without further ado, we'll start first with a magic loop. And then I'll chain 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'll join with a slip knot. So I have one circle here. We'll be working around the circle. I'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochet inside the circle. So insert your yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through all. Then again yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, and pull through 2. You have 3 double crochet including the chain 3. I will chain 2 and I'll repeat 3 double crochet in the circle. I have to obtain 4 clusters or 4 3 double crochets to form my initial square. I have done 3 here. Again chain 2. These 2, they will be forming the corner later on of the solid granny square. So again 3, and chain 2, and my last cluster to be done here. See, now it's already forming half of square, and then double crochet, second double crochet, and third double crochet, and chain 2, and on top of the initial chain 3 I'll make a slip knot or slip stitch. And this is my first square completed. Now on to the next row where we will start forming the solid granny. From here I will chain 3, and now inside these double crochets I will make 1 double crochet. So 1 inside this double crochet, and 1 inside this double crochet. Now in this corner, as you can see, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and again I'll repeat in these 2 previous double crochet or stitches. I will make 1 double crochet each. And again in the corner I will make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and again 1 and 2. So basically in the stitches you'll make 1 double crochet each, and in the corners you'll make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. I will put the link of the written pattern in the description box so you can follow together or along with this video. Again, it's very easy. Once you do the initial square, the rest is very easy to achieve. You just go along and do your solid granny square. It's one of the easiest and best pattern, most pattern used in clothing, in blankets, and in many projects, because you can use different colors for it. And it always looks beautiful, whether you use the normal granny or the solid granny. It always looks pretty to the eye. And here is the last, so the last one from where we started here. I'm going to do 2 double crochet in the corner, chain 2, add another double crochet because our chain 3 is considered like 1 double crochet, and slip stitch on top of the chain 3, and here I have my granny square or solid granny square. I will do one more row and then I'll show you the end result, and then we'll recap together. So this is the end result. I have done 1, 2, 3 rows of granny square, and this is how it looks like. If you're wondering about this yarn, it's one color, I didn't change color, and it has many. It has gray, white, cream, and pink inside. I'll put the link in the description box for the yarn. So it's a very easy pattern to do. If you have any questions about it, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment box. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.